and revival in the Bible Belt can save me from the hell that you left me in. Been burning up the road ever since you left. Bunch of right, wrong turns and another dead end. Rolled back in the hills for some Carolina clear. Guess I must have took it just a little too far. It burned going down till I couldn't get up. Came down the mountain feeling empty as the jar. Hey, the way it's going, I'm a goner. I won't live living like this too much longer. Trying to find something stronger, stronger than you, a bit stronger than you. Spent some time in the desert with a medicine man. Peace pipe smoking like a Santa Fe train. He said, son, yeah, I'd help you if I can, but there's rattlesnake venom rolling through my veins. Hey, the way it's going, I'm a goner. I won't live living like this too much longer. Trying to find something stronger, stronger than you, a bit stronger than you. Oh, yeah. Hey, the way it's going, I'm a goner. I won't live living like this too much longer. Hey, the way it's going, I'm a goner. I won't live living like this too much longer. Trying to find something stronger, stronger than you, a bit 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 stronger than you.
My paycheck could be bigger, and cold beer could be cheaper. Well, I sure love a new truck, but I can't sell this beater. My freezer needs more deer meat, my grass could use more rain. But even on the hard days, man, I can't complain. I'm still living and breathing. I love the